Just bought myself an MS250, and while it's still nice and clean, I'm going to tell you why I think it's the best Stihl out there for the money. Now this is technically a homeowner saw. Personally, I would never buy any of the 100s. I just think they're too small. They feel too cheesy in the hand. You can buy like the 170s for about $180, and to me, for that price point, I think you're better off just buying a Craftsman or something comparable to that. Pull on, you know. This 250 ranges from $300 to $350, depending if you get it on sale or not. It seems to be the same price no matter what dealer or what store you're at. Stihl very much guards their brand. You don't really see too much fluctuation in the pricing on that. But even at that, when you get it on sale for $300, I feel like it's a steal of a deal. This right here is all you get. You get the saw and the little scabbard here. This one came with the 18-inch bar on it, and it has the, you know, the master control lever that they all have. Flip it all the way down to get the cover off here, and I really like this, that it has the little knob on the back. I was looking at the 250 one, and after talking to the owner of the store, he very much talked me out of it. The things I didn't like about the 251 is it had 4 screws which held that cover on instead of the one knob, and it only had one bar nut over here. But after talking to the owner, those two things seemed like not a big deal compared to what I learned. He told me that the carburetor was not adjustable in the 251. The 250 is the current production saw of the old model 025, and this is considered a dirty saw, and it still is a fully adjustable carburetor. You can see you've got your holes. Well, the holes are in this piece. You can see you've got the holes here right in the side cover to adjust it, and the new saws are unadjustable. And he said they're just a nightmare. He goes, hands down, I would buy the 250. And it's got these new quarter turn caps that the Stihl puts on them now. So nice. I mean, this is genius. I don't know why they haven't been doing this for years. It seems like the old caps, you get them on there and then they're so tight you got to get a pair of pliers to get off of them, or you're trying to get your tool to put down that slot in the middle and turn it and it's spreading and it's just not working. These caps are just, it's ridiculous how nice they are. Well, that's just a quick walk around of it. I'm gonna get plenty of use out of it. I'll take you guys along for the ride, show it in use plenty, but I thought while it was still clean and unused, I would just show it off and tell you what I think. And I honestly think for the money, for $300 to $350, depending on if you get it on sale or not, you're not going to get a better saw. It's 3 horsepower, weighs 10.1 pounds. I think it's right around 45 cc's. I guess I could have looked. I'm sure it says in the tag, yep, displacement 45 cc's. If you guys are interested in a full review, please stick around, subscribe. I'm planning on cutting down 30 to 40 trees here in the early spring. So we'll put out some videos of it in action and tell you what I think after I've used it. But I've been shopping, for about 6 months now, and every time I go into a tractor dealer or just a hardware store, I've picked up saws and looking at them, and I've settled on this one. So hopefully I'm right. Hopefully the 250 is the best saw for the money, and I'm happy with my purchase. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.